Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Yelp for local SEO and business profile optimization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Yelp for Business website. If you don't have an account, click on the Join button in the upper right corner. Fill in your personal details and create a new account. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. On your dashboard, look for the option to claim your business. Enter your business name and address in the search bar. Select your business from the list that appears. If your business isn't listed, click on Add Your Business to create a new profile. After claiming your business, you'll be prompted to verify your ownership. This may involve receiving a verification code via phone or email. Once verified, you'll gain access to your business profile. Start by filling in your business details such as hours, location, and contact information. Add high-quality photos that represent your business. Make sure to write a compelling business description, including relevant keywords. Set up your services and offerings to improve visibility to potential customers. Explore the promotions section to create special offers that attract more visitors. Use the reviews feature to respond to customer feedback, enhancing engagement. Check the analytics section regularly to monitor your performance on the platform. Optimize your profile continuously based on customer reviews and engagement metrics. Integrate Yelp reviews into your website or social media for additional exposure. Stay active on Yelp by updating your profile with new information and responding to inquiries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.